Welcome to CK Physics. The topic is pressure, and in this case we want to explore pressure exerted by liquids, and I want to use a variety of equipment here. What I have here is known as a manometer. It has a U-tube, and what I have done is to place a liquid in it, and the two limbs of the U-tube are subjected to the atmosphere. They are under the same pressure, and therefore the liquid levels in the two limbs is exactly the same. The next piece of equipment I have is a thistle funnel. The thistle funnel will be connected using a capillary tube to one limb of the manometer there, and I have a liquid here, water, into which I will push the thistle funnel, which has got a membrane at the end, and we'll be able to see how the water level varies in the U-tube. What I have there is water, which is colored for you to be able to see exactly the water levels. So what I'll quickly do is attach the thistle funnel using this capillary tube to one end of the U-tube there to create my manometer, and I will then push it into the liquid in a beaker. And what you might notice is the further down the thistle funnel, the greater the difference between liquid levels in the U-tube. The reason being that the pressure exerted by the liquid here is experienced as the push down on the one limb and push up on the other limb. The point then you need to get is that pressure in a liquid depends on depth. The greater the depth to which I push the thistle funnel, the more the pressure difference that you get to notice here. So one main factor that affects the pressure exerted by a liquid is the depth in which you are. You often experience this in a swimming pool when you go deep into the deep end. If you go right to the floor of the swimming pool, you're able to experience a lot of pressure on your ears because pressure depends on depth. We'll explore other factors that come in. Actually, the other main factor that comes in is the density of the liquid. If I had a liquid of much greater density than water and I have the same depth, then we expect the liquid with greater density will exert much more pressure. So remember, two factors affect the pressure exerted by a liquid. Factor number one is the depth in the liquid. Factor number two is the density of the liquid. Thank you.